Let's start now with our live demo. I already have the file we need, our JSON data, our schema, and I have a second version of our schema. And this version, I just added an extra field. And the way I specify this field, Avro will skip this field if it doesn't match our data. And I will explain later how we can define a field for a schema evolution. So let's open a new terminal. Okay, let's move to our Avro folder, cd, and the path to our folder. Okay, so let's start serializing our JSON data to Avro format. So we need our jar file, so java-jar, and the path to our jar file. I already downloaded the jar file, so you can find it in, for example, this website. Okay, so let's add the path to the jar file. Okay, so we need the schema file. In our case, is a schema example .avsc, and then we specify our JSON data file, data example JSON. Okay, and we need to specify our Avro file, so we can call it Avro example by Avro. Okay, and just to verify, so we specify our jar file. We need the function that should convert our JSON to Avro. So in this case, we will use the function from JSON. Okay, we specify then the schema file, the data file, and the Avro where we want to store the data and the schema. Okay, so our Avro example is created. We can find it. Yeah, so now we have our Avro in binary format. Okay, so let's compress, serialize our data in Avro format using a snappy compression. So everything will remain the same, but we have to specify the compression type. Let's say snappy. Okay, point Avro. Okay, so here we have our compressed file. Let's now deserialize our Avro example to JSON. So the way we do that, It's just using our Avro tool, so Java-jar and pass to our jar file. Okay. In this case, we will use the function toJSON because we want to convert our Avro to JSON. Okay. And we can now provide the Avro file. In our case, it was Avro example. Okay, .avro, and then we can specify the file where we want to store this Avro JSON data. Let's say data, let's say data2 JSON. Okay, we can now go to see our data JSON. Okay, so we will find our data here. So we deserialize our JSON data. Now we can specify the way we want to store the JSON data. We can store it in more elegant way by using the pretty command. So we can use the Linux pretty command after the function. So -pretty, okay, and we will call this file data2. Okay. Now our data2 will have more elegant presentation. Okay, in our previous presentation we have data stored in this way. Okay, in this one we have data more structured, more presented in a more elegant manner. Okay, let's now look at how we can extract our schema. The way we do that is just calling a get schema function from our Avro tool. Now Java-jar, okay, and the path to our jar file. Okay, and we specify the function get schema, and then our Avro file. So in our case is Avro example. Okay, AVSC. Okay. Get schema. Now, so here it's an Avro. Okay. Avro example Avro. Okay. Now we have our schema. Okay. Let's now start our second example where we added an extra field. Let's say this is our second example where we added an extra field. Okay, but this extra field doesn't match our data, but because we used an union type. Union types, that means we can have different type in a string, and we can also specify the defaults. So let's just add this schema. our original data. Okay, and we do that, everything will be the same. Okay, and actually we need our second schema. Let's say Avro example 2. Okay. Okay, we will have a warning, but it's fine. Now we can retrieve the second schema. With the get schema function. Okay, from the second Avro. Okay, so actually you will see our extra field here for the second schema. Okay, so we can use a different schema for the same data.